Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and now I will talk about how to use ezTalks. Once we schedule a meeting, we can start using it, so we just click on Start. Then we can see that a new window is opening. We click there to accept. Yeah, we saw open the meeting and we come to this window, which has some options. As you can see, we have the option to activate the camera. We have also different options to use the microphone and speakers. We also have this to invite people. We can look for our contacts or we can email them. We also have this option that says screen share that I will show at the end. Then we have this next option, that's the chat, yeah. And we have also the option to record the meeting. And we have two alternatives. One is local recording and the other one is cloud recording. We also have another option, that's the poll, which can be very useful while we present. And finally, we have information about the meeting, settings, and help if we need it. I will go back to this option that says screen share. I think this is one of the most useful options. And here we have this that says show desktop. So as you can see now, I'm in the main page, but I can show anything that's in my computer. So my students or participants in the meeting can see it. I also can activate the camera. Okay, and then yeah, you can see me on the left. Yep, I can move this if I want, and if I don't want the camera to be on, I can just disable it. You can also see that in this part we have the option to stop recording and to stop sharing the screen. So I just stop there. And then I can go, for example, to the other option that says share whiteboard. Again, this is a tool similar to Zoom, where people can choose a pencil and a color, for example, and start drawing. Yeah, or doing something they want. They can also add text. Again, they can choose the different colors for that. They can also choose the size of the font they want to use. And there's another option, that's the eraser. So I can just use the eraser to clean what I did before. Okay, so basically these are the tools we have in ezTalks. Thanks a lot.